It's a great day for a drive, and especially in this 2018 F-350 LARIAT in black. It has black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and it has a 6.5-foot box with a 6.7 liter V8 turbo diesel power stroke engine. It also is paired with automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and it has the chrome with chrome bumper, grille, fender, handles, and you have power deployed running boards. You also have heated and cooled seats up front, a twin panel moonroof, navigation, reverse camera, and a trailer tow hitch. As well, you've got extenders in the box, and I'll show you that very shortly, as well as a tonneau cover. And it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have this nice wood grain inlay, as well as memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, as is the passenger seat, and you've got these nice all-weather mats on the floor. Your electronic parking brake, power tailgate, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. You also have a power deployed running board and grab handle to make it easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have your odometer reading and the menu, and we're just going to go through here from left to right. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. So for instance, you can make your power deployed running boards come out all the time, only when you open the doors, or not at all. So your choice, and you can go into the advanced settings and set that up. On your automatic shifter, you have tow haul, and when you press the end, it'll come on and then off again. And in the center, you got your Sony badging for your audio system, as well as a little bin, exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, hill descent, lane keeping, and there's your 360 camera. And we'll just press that off. It just shows you where you are in space. And here's our main screen. We've got our home there, and you're seeing a little snippet of navigation. So if you pressed on navigation, you see the whole thing. If we go into audio, we can touch on sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD and Bluetooth. Our climate, you're going to see you have dual climate control and a heated steering wheel, as well as your AC. And we can go into settings and slide through. You're seeing your Bluetooth, navigation again, Wi-Fi, Android Auto, and you've got ambient lighting. You can actually change the look of your display screen, and you just slide through for each option and then touch on it whatever you want. When you put your vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So when I hit the camera the first time, what we're seeing is the front view. Now, because I put it in reverse, we're seeing the back view. So we're seeing where we are in space. White lines are showing us as we turn our steering wheel the direction we're going. Dotted lines is the center. And you have your green, yellow, red. So as you're backing up, how close you're getting to other objects or vehicles. And that's your rear bumper. And I'm just going to put us back into park for safety's sake, volume and tuner. And then here's your CD, dual climate control, heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. And your fans in the center there. You also have your AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. And then the little cubby, you've got a couple of USB outlets. You can press it, it'll close right up for you. 4x4 with locking differential, and you've got your integrated trailer brake controller. Lots of cubby space to put items and your cup holders. There's rings on the bottom. That's your ambient lighting. Your armrest opens up. There's this nice little bin in here. You can take that out. There's a 12-volt down below. Lots of room in here. You can throw a lot of items in here. And when you close it up, nice and out of sight, and also safety. It's not flying around the cabin. And you've got your 12-volt as well as a plug-in, 2 glove compartments, and your auto dimming rear view mirror. You've got your lighting controls, sunglass holder. You also have upfitter switches, as well as a universal garage door opener. And we have that twin panel moonroof button. You also have your power screens, and as well there's a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that button's for. And then you've got your grab handle in the body. That just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, and power deployed running board. And I just wanted to show you how this works. So I programmed it. It'll tuck underneath when I close the door, and you're seeing the chrome handle, and this little button, that's intelligent access. So when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And so you just saw the running boards pop underneath, and that's how we've programmed it. You also have keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap, and in the back is a chrome handle. Just above it is where your backup camera is located. You have an LED light to the right, and the tailgate is lockable and removable. You have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, and a trailer hitch. Now the nice thing, which I love about this, is that you have the ability to double click your fob and it'll power down your tailgate. You have a nice line box, there's a mat on the bottom, and you also have these extenders off to the side so you can actually put them out if you have something that exceeds the box. And you also have the tonneau cover, and that just keeps everything out of sight. And then you've got a tailgate step, so that makes it easier to get in. And that yellow button you're seeing, that's a rod that pulls out, creates like a handle, making it easier to get in and out of the box. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. You also have this nice wood grain inlay, grab handles in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You can easily lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, and on the floor is a lockable collapsible bin. It's right down at the moment. And then when you want to bring the seat down, simply pull the tab, it'll bring it right down, anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you've got an armrest with a couple of cup holders in the center. Nice all-weather mat, keeps everything nice and clean. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you've got a couple of cup holders, air vents on each side, 12-volt USB 110 outlet, and you also have the heated seat icons there for the back seats. That twin panel moonroof, another grab handle, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Bumper with backup sensors, 6.5-foot box, tonneau cover, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.